It occurred to me that. Subject plus verb. You say this when you are letting someone know that you have just remembered something. It occurred to me that. He can sew. It occurred to me that. She can cook. It occurred to me that. John can knit. It occurred to me that. He can swim. It occurred to me that. She can sing. It occurred to me that. She can draw. It occurred to me that. They like art. It occurred to me that. You can paint. It occurred to me that. You can dance. It occurred to me that. You can juggle. It occurred to me that. You love music. It occurred to me that. You love music. It occurred to me that. You want a pet. It occurred to me that. You like pizza. It occurred to me that. You like coffee. It occurred to me that. You like tennis. It occurred to me that. You like soccer. It occurred to me that. You like hiking. It occurred to me that. You enjoy nature. It occurred to me that. You should study. It occurred to me that. You should study. It occurred to me that. You enjoy hiking. It occurred to me that. You like puzzles. It occurred to me that. You like the rain. It occurred to me that. You enjoy reading. It occurred to me that. You enjoy fishing. It occurred to me that. You love the beach. It occurred to me that. You like ice cream. It occurred to me that. You can fix things. It occurred to me that. You should do yoga. It occurred to me that. You need new shoes. It occurred to me that. You want a bicycle. It occurred to me that. You like gardening. It occurred to me that. You need a haircut. It occurred to me that. You like chocolate. It occurred to me that. You like chocolate. It occurred to me that. You like chocolate. It occurred to me that. You like gardening. It occurred to me that. You want a new job. It occurred to me that. You can play chess. It occurred to me that. You want to travel. It occurred to me that. You can ride a bike. It occurred to me that. You can fix your bike. It occurred to me that. You can fix your bike. It occurred to me that. You need more sleep. It occurred to me that. You should exercise. It occurred to me that. You need a vacation. It occurred to me that. You can write poems. It occurred to me that. You like ice skating. It occurred to me that. You can make jewelry. It occurred to me that. You like photography. It occurred to me that. You can bake cookies. It occurred to me that. You can bake cookies. It occurred to me that. You should save money. It occurred to me that. You like bird watching. It occurred to me that. You should buy a kayak. It occurred to me that. You should buy a plant. It occurred to me that you can play the piano. It occurred to me that you should call your mom. It occurred to me that you need to do laundry. It occurred to me that you can play the guitar. It occurred to me that you need a new computer. It occurred to me that you need a new wardrobe. It occurred to me that you can do magic tricks. It occurred to me that you should go for a run. It occurred to me that you need a new backpack. It occurred to me that you should paint your room. It occurred to me that you need to clean your garage. It occurred to me that you liked painting landscapes. It occurred to me that you can learn a new language. It occurred to me that you liked playing board games. It occurred to me that you like cooking Italian food. It occurred to me that you want to learn to meditate. It occurred to me that you want to learn to meditate. It occurred to me that you like cooking Mexican food. It occurred to me that you can make homemade candles. It occurred to me that you should organize your closet. It occurred to me that you want to explore a new city. It occurred to me that you need to declutter your closet. It occurred to me that you should learn a new language. It occurred to me that you should take a cooking class. It occurred to me that you should practice mindfulness. It occurred to me that you should take a cooking class. It occurred to me that you should practice mindfulness. It occurred to me that you want to visit a national park. It occurred to me that you should take a photography class. It occurred to me that you should learn to play the ukulele.